Good morning. It's freezing this morning. A big coat on because it's rain. Goes past my bum. Boxers don't get wet. Hat on. It's getting filled with rain, so it's just wet. It's windy as hell around here compared to the front garden. So Tom's labouring today, I think. Sure he plans it. Then, I've got my waterproofs on. And I've got my boots on. Never have my boots on, do I? So I'm like a Viennetta walking around bloody red hot, absolutely. But as soon as you take one layer off, that's it. So we decided on the way home on Friday. Didn't have to work weekend, just enjoy it, have time off. So I went to York City shoot, which were good, but rushed. So felt a bit meeting everyone. I thought, come on, I really need to go, stop chatting, you know what I mean? I need to go. Got down to Welland Road 5 minutes before kick-off. What a waste of time that was. But we all knew it was going to happen. We watched Farker's interview. He didn't want the game. You could tell he didn't want another tie. So, looking at that, I'd rather concentrate on league, you know what I mean? So, but yeah. So we had a chilled weekend. Had a meal with family. Went out on Friday night. Saturday all day. But then had a meal with family, so I took it steady, really. I wasn't really drunk, really. And then yesterday just chilled out, sorting a few bits out at home. But yeah, so with us not working, we're going to start here and go all the way down there today, and as much as the path as we can. I think I'm going to stay. Tonight, see how much we can get done. Because down there, it's only down to the gate. It isn't too bad, even if we get halfway down. Tomorrow, bring everything in, as gravel's in, as resin in, and then last thing at day, just do them 5 flags or something, you know. But yeah, just need to crack on today. It's just wet and cold. You know, fingers, I hate wearing gloves when it rains. Bloody hands are freezing, so let's get laying. And there we have it. That corner's done. Where my water bottle is, I just need to start the path now. Yeah. Oh, grass is getting swept up tomorrow. Gravel all around, and we are, obviously, resin inside the grout, down there. And we're all done. Getting that done, massive. It's just something you put off, you know, like, I tend to do it all the time. I've got that bit to do. I'll do it later. Do it, 2 minutes done. Obviously, a few hours done. You know what I mean? Rather than thinking, you know, get it done. I do it all the time. I'll leave a right little messy about bit, and then I'll go up. Mainly with say composite decking where it's all fine cuts everywhere. I'll go on, I'll just do it straight away, and you're like, why didn't I do that last week? But we're just out path now, and it is like a wind tunnel. The wind's coming from Leeds Centre and it's flying up, so it's windy at this side of the house, windy on the narrow side of the house, and Tom's just chilling at front with no wind at all, getting battered by it. But I'm red out in these bloody waterproofs, but you can guarantee if I take my waterproofs off straight away, heat out, so I'm going to keep them up. I'm going to sweat, sweating like mad. But yeah, go get this path done and then we're done. Right, so I put GoPro on here because the next flag's laying there, but it's got to go under the gate, under the step. So I'm going to put the gobbo in, shut the gate, step in, lay it, jump back out. Apparently, stones in my bloody gloves. How grim it is. It's just dull in it and dark. Horrible. Crap out with it. Tab ends. Open that up just in case, and it stands on there. And then, yeah. Right, I'm ready to pull that out. Yeah. Ah! God, that slammed then. It's gonna be hard, this. There's the last frigging flag. Normally we'd just take gate off, but we can't put it back on. Something's not right there, is it? Look how wide it is there and how thin it is there. Gate slanted. Hey up. Yeah, slide it on gate, bob it on gate. Oh, it's wrong fucking way. Yeah, just leave it on gate. Now I need it to go that way, so keep hold of it. Fucking hell, I ain't got this side though. Yeah, yep. Oh my God! Cause my legs don't step, I can't bloody bend over. I've got on that way, lovely. Yeah, I better go in and under now, what? 200 Tom. By 900. That'll do that, won't it? Yeah. No. Bloody gate, man, it's horrible. It's been battered by gate today, like wind today, sorry. Not know what rag's gonna do, but I thought I'd put it down. Alright, cock. Slow it, bro. I'll tell you something, their tea next door smells well nice. It smells like honeycomb, chicken, whatever you call it, pasta. And that is it. And there we have it. The path is in. All this section's in. And the cuts all up to the top corner. Feels well good up here now. Feels finished. Just need to grout it tomorrow. Sleeper is going over there. Yeah, feels well good. Feels so good because massive weight's just been lifted. Like we're working next job, working for someone in Kirkstall, and they own literally half a Leeds, but she's coming up from Birmingham for us to start the job, just to go through everything and do it all, whatever. It's only a tiny little courtyard, but she's had this date put in the diary, and we have to be there on that date. We have to be. So yeah, it's another day. One more day tomorrow. Just resin, grout, gravel, top up with soil, goes down the drive. That's it. Easy. I always say that, easy, but I can guarantee you we'll be still here at 6 o'clock. Guarantee it. But we'll see. Tune in tomorrow and find out. See you soon.